Logarithm as much as possible and write the expression in sum, difference, or product of logs. Enclose arguments of function differences and include a multiplication sign between terms. For example, C asterisk lane bracket H. Okay, so we have lane 1 over 9 raised to power k can also be written as lane 9 raised to power minus k. Okay, so but then we know that the relationship between lane x is log x divided by log 2.71 right? So in this case, lane 9 raised to power minus k becomes log 9 raised to power minus k divided by log 2.71828, which can also be written as minus k asterisk log 9 divided by log 2.71828. Okay, so we can also write it as this minus k. What is log 9? Okay, so minus k log 9 divided by log 2.71828. So when you divide this over this, you're going to get 2.197, and your answer becomes minus k hash or star rather open bracket 2.197.